Now we're going to get into the thing you've all been waiting for. I'm going to talk about the different types of information products that are out there so that you can see which ones are going to work best for you. So which ones do work for you depend on a lot of factors. So what would you want to do on a normal day? Do you like writing, talking, teaching, working one-on-one? Do you like speaking? Do you like creating? Because the best info product for you is going to be the one that fits what is natural to you, what you feel comfortable with, and what you're good at doing. So the question is, what information products make sense for you to do based on your circumstances? Another question to ask yourself is, what are other people in your field doing? What types of info products do they have out there, and which ones are successful? And so I'm going to go over really briefly what the top 10 types of information products are. So the first category of knowledge is writing, and the info products in there include ebooks, audiobooks, and blogging. The second category is training, in which case YouTube, webinars and teleseminars, seminars and workshops in person, online courses, and membership programs can all kind of fit under that grouping. And then lastly, we have the category of coaching, which can include coaching, consulting, and then group programs where you're doing a mix of all of the above.